I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. I just made a very simple holding tool, a vise, out of this piece of wood and a little strap of steel, or you could just use a staple. I think some people call this a staple vise. This is a piece of hardwood. I'm not sure what kind, but you definitely want to use hardwood. And the height of the staple, well, you can just play around with that. You'll need 2 pieces of scrap wood, again hardwood would be best, and one shaped as a wedge. The length and height of those pieces, well, again, you can just fool around to suit your need. So that's it. That piece is going nowhere. I need to give a big shout out to KC Metters, I hope I'm saying that right, and to Matthew Branson and his sons Alexander and Grayson. I really appreciate the very generous donations, and Matthew is also my newest Patreon supporter. You might find this sort of staple vise useful for when you're using something like an angle grinder. I'm putting a flat 90-degree angle on the end of this file because I want to mess around with planing steel. It cuts, but the vise in a vise has too much play, too much wobble, so I'll sort that out. So I quickly just put that block behind there so it doesn't have any front-to-back motion. And I decide to radius the cutting edge, thinking that that'll maybe work a little bit better. I'd rather not work at this sort of frenetic pace, but I can see this is going to work. So the next time out, I'd like to make a holder for this file or for whatever tool I'm going to use to plane that will allow me to put my hands out side to side. And that way I can more evenly distribute pressure and use more force. So while I'm at it, to test this vise some more, I'm just using this file in the finishing sort of way. There's not much front to back motion with the block in back, but the piece of wood keeps tipping. So I've got to try to support that a little bit better. This little support should do the trick. The only thing that's flexing downward much now is the workpiece, and that's fine. That can be easily remedied by lengthening and thickening those two pieces on the bottom. And if you could make this sort of staple vise so that you can sit on it as a bench, that would be just perfect. Now that I've got this simple vise sorted out, I'm going to make a tool to plane steel, so stay tuned. And I'll catch you guys next time.